Hello. Today we are going to solve the problem. How long is the substring without repeating characters? Okay, let's see the first example. There's an input string ABC, ABC, BB. In this example, the longest substring having no repeat characters is 3. There are 3 candidate substrings ABC, BCA, CAB. So how can we find the longest substring having no repeated characters? Well, let's see here. First, we have to iterate the string S like this, and during the iteration, we need to check if there is a repeated character. In this input, the first A and A character is repeated, and then the B character is also repeated. So counting variable based on characters is needed to count the character. So I declared ch data structure having the count variable as array of which size is 256 to store all ASCII characters. While we iterate the characters of string S, we have to count each character by increasing 1 using this array. At every iteration, we have to check the longest substring. Let's see the description. We first counted A at this point, and the second we count A again at this point. So we know that the character A is repeated twice by checking the character array's count variable having more than 1. At this point, we can calculate the distance from the starting point up to the current index. Starting point is 0 at first. Distance is substring's length. It would be 3. We can update this value as the longest substring. If we found the repeated character, we have to move the starting point to the next point of first repeated character. Next, we knew that the character B is repeated by using the character count variable. So we can calculate the distance once again and move the starting point to the next index of first repeated character. We can do this mechanism up to the end of this string and then return to the longest substring length. Let's see the code. First, I declare the character data structure as an array including count and the position variable. Position variable stores the index of each character. To know the location of first repeated character, which is used to move the starting point to the next position of first repeated character. And here the start and the longest variable are declared. For loop is started here to iterate the string. Count each character by character array containing the count variable using ASCII code as the index of array. We have to distinguish whether current character is repeated twice or not, since the starting point to exactly calculate the substring length. If current character count is 1, the substring length is I minus start here. In our case, the substring length would be I minus start plus 1. Because current index character is not repeated. Note that start variable is updated here with the next index of first repeated character's location. I already explained about the moving starting point. Count variable should be 1 because the starting point has been moved from the next point of first repeated character. At last, we have to return the longest variable as longest substring length. This code has 4 millisecond runtime, which is faster than 99.36%, and the memory usage is less than 91.04%, which is tested in LeetCode website. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.